Can't access YTS on your computer? In some countries, YTS is blocked by the government. Let me show you how to open YTS in less than 5 minutes. First, just type in TOR on Google or any other search engine. Click on the first link to show up. Once you have this site open, click on the button that says Download TOR Browser. Select the operating system you are using. I am using a Windows system computer, so I'll select Windows. Click the button that says Download for Windows. Once download is complete, open the file. Click on the button Run. Select the destination folder where you want the program to be saved. Once you have selected it, click on the button Install. Click on the button Finish. Open the TOR browser you have just installed, and once you open the browser, you will get this page. Click on the button that says Connect. What this browser do is that it will have your internet traffic routed via a random path through the network. This is the reason why you will notice that the browser opens slower compared to an ordinary internet browser. Just remember, this is free overlay network for enabling anonymous communication. That means you can access the deep web using this browser. Once you have this screen, that means that your browser is connected. Just type in at the address bar yts.mx and click Enter. And voila, you can now access YTS. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Also, if you don't know how to use YTS, click on the next video to learn.